In this video, we're going to walk through how to generate client reports in Vendasta. This is a crucial feature for agencies and businesses looking to streamline their reporting process, giving clients clear insights into their performance. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Vendasta to produce professional reports that clients will appreciate. Now, before we dive in, if you're new to Vendasta, you can access this software for free with our exclusive bonuses, so be sure to check the first link in the description below. It's a great way to get started and test out all the features for yourself. Let's jump straight into the first thing you need to know. To generate client reports, you'll need to be logged into your Vendasta dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice a client management section on the left-hand side. This is where you can manage all your clients, and it's key for generating their reports. Next thing, click on the Reports tab. It's usually listed under the Marketing section. When you click on this, you'll be taken to a new page where you can access all the available report templates. Vendasta offers a variety of customizable reports that cover everything from SEO and social media performance to paid ad campaigns and more. The third thing you want to do is select the client or clients you want the report for. You can either select them individually, or if you want a bulk report for multiple clients, there's an option to select them all at once. This is a great time saver when you need to produce reports for several clients at once. After that, you'll be prompted to choose the report template. Vendasta has pre-built templates for specific industries, and you can choose the one that fits your client's needs best. You can also customize these templates by adding or removing certain sections, depending on what data you want to highlight. The fourth thing to know is how to schedule reports. Once you've customized your report, you'll have the option to either generate it immediately or schedule it to be sent automatically. This is particularly helpful for recurring reports, so you don't have to manually generate them every time. You can set it up to send on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Next, let's talk about exporting. Once you're happy with the report, you can download it in various formats like PDF, Excel, or CSV. If you want to email it directly to your client, you can do that as well within the system, making it simple and efficient. Finally, don't forget that you can also brand the reports with your company's logo and colors to make them more personalized and professional. This gives your clients a seamless experience and helps your brand stand out. To recap, generating client reports in Vendasta is straightforward once you get the hang of the interface. Log in, choose the client, pick a template, customize it, and then export or schedule the report. And remember, you can access Vendasta for free through the link in the description, which comes with some exclusive bonuses to help you get started. Don't miss out on this extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide to generating client reports in Vendasta has been helpful.